Breaking news here on the day trader. Arrival, ticker symbol ARVL. Now, yesterday I set a stop trailing order of 5 cents, which would have sold it around $1.05. I removed that because I didn't want a knee-jerk reaction from whichever way it went with the CPI rate. But the CPI rate came in worse than anybody anticipated. The markets were pricing in a 0.1 drop. And in fact, it didn't just stabilize, it went up 0.1. So that's terrible, terrible news. The worst kind of news for Arrival. Arrival are running out of money. I've not yet invested in a stock that has gone bankrupt, but this one could. We're live right now. I'm making this video for you live. So smash the like button if you want the stock to go up, or smash the like button if you want the stock to go down. But do get involved. This is a live video, but you're watching it now on a recorded video later on. So thank you very much for doing that. And also subscribe. What we're going to do now, above my head, there you go. What we're going to do now is make a decision on this one, because I've got some money locked up in here, which I feel could go to zero. Arrival could go to zero. I've not yet owned a stock that's gone bankrupt, and I certainly don't want to start today. So let's make a decision what we're going to do with Arrival. Arrival's at 103. I was going to sell it at 105. I cancelled that order, and that was the right thing to do because I didn't want to react overnight. I did not want a knee-jerk reaction. It doesn't even matter to me if it 10x's. I don't care. I'll put my money somewhere else and protect my money somewhere else. I'll tell you what we'll do. We'll have a live poll in the show as well. We'll do that right now, and let's see if we're going to trade this stock out. Here is my live portfolio right now. This is the overall portfolio. As you can see, we had a big drop this morning. It's trying to stabilize, down 6.5%, trying to come up, which is good. I'll tell you what we'll do. We'll run a live poll now, and I will make the decision live on the show. Should I sell my Arrival? So we're going to create a poll live right now. Okay, the question is, should I sell my Arrival? Whoops, got to spell it right. Okay. And we'll make a decision how we're going to play this. Now, I'm not using a stop trail loss now, or I could do, actually. I could do that. Should I sell my Arrival? Yes or no? I'm going to ask the community, see what response we get back. And I'm going to share some of the comments we get on the screen. And we will trade this live in front of you. And let's see how this pans out. Arrival's now coming up. This is why we waited. We didn't want a knee-jerk reaction this morning. That's the last thing that we wanted. Let me bring in the poll. And let's see what everybody did. Okay, here we go. You can see that this is a live poll forming on our show. I will bring it to you now. Here you go. You can see exactly what's going on now. This was taken live at the making of this video. 67% say no. 33% say yes. We'll keep watching that. And if anyone does a super chat now during the live during this will go out on the recorded video. So if you want to do a super chat and get your name on the screen and promote your channel and just show support for the channel, you'll be immortalized in this video. So we're watching it right now. Let me have a look. I think the way I'm going to play this now, I have 1,000 shares. I'm going to do this right now. I'm going to set a... Let me go to sell Arrival. I think this is how I'm going to do it. I'm going to set a trailing stop order. And I'm going to go for an amount of 5 cents. 0.05, which means it can go down to 99 cents. And at 99 cents it would sell, because psychologically, if it goes below $1, that could be, you know, psychologically at a time everybody will dump. And I've got 1,000 shares, so put 999. That way I can get a market share. Review the order. So sell Arrival, amount of 5 cents. So what that will do, that will sell it right now if it goes to 99 cents. If it goes up to 105, it will sell at $1. If it goes to 6, it will sell at 101. All right, so I'm going to do that now. Review the order. Sell that. Okay. Now, hopefully, it'll go up. It will rally throughout the afternoon. At the end of the day, you might say, well, you're not going to be around for the 10x. My $1,000 won't just sit there and do nothing. It'll do plenty of work somewhere else. So I'm not out of the stock market. I'm just using my money somewhere else. Arrival, you've got to protect your money. An idiot can make money on the stock market. It's much harder to keep it. Let's have a look at my poll right now. And let's see. Right now, 60% say no. 60% of my traders and investors say no. 40% say yes. So, there you go. I have gone somewhere in between the yes and no. What I have done is set up a stop trail loss. So it will sell at 99 cents. Hopefully, it'll rise up throughout the day and sell a lot higher than that. Yes, let's have a look. Let's see what all my traders put down as comments. We'll share the comments for you live on the screen. Let's have a little look at what people said. Let's have a look. Church of Logic said, to keep it real, Martyn, I would just hold. You haven't lost much. It will have more. It'll have one more pump eventually. That's what he says. Nit says, I dumped Arrival. That's what he said. Nothing wrong with taking a loss and getting to the next one. That's Mason Kirk. Absolutely. Nothing wrong with taking a loss is absolutely right. Now, hopefully, by setting a stop trail loss, I won't take a loss. You're only 14 cents out of the money. Stop doing that. How many times have I said to people, stop doing, you're only 14 cents out of the money? It's not about 14 cents. It's about the percentage. 14 cents out of the money on Shiba Inu would be millions of dollars. All right, if you had millions and millions of Shiba Inu, all right, it's relative. 14 cents on Bitcoin because it's $22,000 different. It's about percentage. Too many of you are locked up in the cents. It's not the point at all. So there you go. There's a few comments on this video. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like to join me back for the closing bell this afternoon to see how my position ended up, click up here. We're live 10 hours a day, nearly all day, every day, all the trading days. Join us back this afternoon for the closing bell. The link's just above me here where I clicked there, and you can join us back and see where this ended up. By the time you've joined me, will my $1,000 be sold? Will 1,000 shares be sold, or will I have a nice profit? My prediction is nothing would have happened. I don't think it would have gone down to 99 cents. If it does, it will protect it from going dramatically lower, and I don't really see it going up and even making any money on it either. I think by the time we come back, it'll be exactly where it is right now. Maybe 105, 106, setting a new limit of 101. Who knows? Join me later on and we'll find out. Take care of yourselves and each other.